Oh no, looks like I'm gonna have to take out a loan to fill out my freaking gas tank. Just kidding. Guys, I screwed up yesterday's video. Screwed up real bad. And I gotta be honest, I'm really disappointed because it was such a good video. It was such a good video. The video started off with me helping out this guy who ran out of gas. And here's the problem. I accidentally filmed the entire video yesterday in 4K ultra high definition, which means when I put the freaking video into my computer, it basically melted my computer. So here's the problem. When I went to edit the video, I had all of these clips, but they were so large that my computer doesn't really play them, you know, so I can't really scroll through and see what I'm saying and all this stuff. So I uploaded a video that was completely incorrect. It was supposed to be from today's video, and today's video obviously got uploaded yesterday, and it had the wrong title. So yes, I screwed up royally, and I'm the only person to blame. But okay, so today's video, I'm going to talk about what yesterday's video was supposed to be about because it was labeled wrong. And yesterday's video had this thumbnail, and this just goes to show that the content of these videos doesn't really matter because that video is doing super well. Because it was supposed to be today's... God, I screwed it up. Anyways, okay. So, unfortunately, I lost all that footage because I'm about to go shoot a little footwear commercial with one of our athletes, and I formatted the entire card, and I didn't realize it until I had already uploaded, or until I didn't realize that the video was screwed up until after I had formatted the entire card. So anyways, today's video is talking about the $10 gas prices, and if you can imagine, there's someone pulled over on the side of the road, and I'm helping him push his car to the gas station. That was the start of yesterday's video, which the footage no longer exists anymore. Anyways, okay, so we're talking about $10 gas prices because I just got a screenshot. This is actually what yesterday's video was all about, just saying. So we're just kind of repeating what I talked about yesterday. We got $9 for gas in Sacramento, California. $9. That's ridiculous. That is so ridiculous. And who is to blame for this? Mr. Joe Biden. I'm just kidding. I don't care. I don't know. Okay. I'm not gonna blame him. I'm not saying it's his fault. I'm just kidding, guys. Just kidding. Just kidding. Don't get so mad. Some people get super offended. But I am saying that this was predicted. Biden gets elected, gas prices going through the roof. Not just saying. Don't get mad at me and get all commenty, you know. Anyways, what are we gonna do, guys? Let's do some quick math real quick. Let's say you get a solid order. $10 for 5 miles. Okay? So those 5 miles, let's be realistic. You have to put in a few more miles to make this order happen. Usually you have some dead miles, you gotta come back or something. Let's just say 10 miles for $10 basically, because after it's all said and done, you usually put in around $10 to make the order happen, or 10 miles to make the order happen. But here's the thing. Now gas is, we're gonna see in a second, because I gotta get gas right now. We're gonna see how much this costs me. It's gonna cost me basically an arm and a leg. But let's say gas is $5, because it's $5 in California in some places. Actually, no. It's about $7 in some places right now in LA. Completely preposterous. I was just there last week and I paid $5.69. Now it is way worse. So is DoorDash even sustainable anymore? That's the real question. Is it even possible? Is this the end? Can people even do DoorDash? Well, unfortunately, people are still going to do DoorDash. Hang on. All right, we're back. Okay, so we're filling up gas right now. Okay, let's talk about how much it's going to cost us to do a DoorDash delivery. So let's say an order is $10 for 10 miles, because just after all said and done, you're going to have to put in a few extra miles and all that stuff, you know. We're just going to put a round number, $10 for 10 miles. Average order, right? Gas is what? It was $4.79. I just got a discount because my grocery rewards, $4.69. Let's just make it a round number because a lot of places it's gonna be $5. $5, okay. That's for, let's say the average car gets around like 25 miles per gallon. So, I hate doing math. That is half a gallon, basically. It's about half a gallon. It's about half a gallon to do one order. Half a gallon costs you $2.50 or so, you know. We're just averaging these things out, doing worst case scenario. $2.50. So that $10, now you deduct $2.50. It's actually $7.50. Here's the problem. You also have to deduct wear and tear in your car. You may not see it. You may not think about it until you have to get your inflated tires because they are inflated because of inflation. Get it? Tires inflated. Get it? Tires are inflated. Anyways, tires are 30% more than they used to be. I just had to get some for my trailer, and my trailer takes the cheapest freaking tires, and they were still almost $200 tires. Preposterously expensive. Okay, let's see. This is how much it cost me to get gas right now. $75.77. $75.77. Now, obviously, this doesn't seem like a great time to be doing DoorDash. So, that $10 order cost me $2.50 to get it. Plus, you got to minus your wear and tear on the vehicle. A lot of people they just don't take that into consideration. On top of that, you got to pay your car insurance. Let's say an average, your car insurance is $150. Let's say, I don't know, $150 is pretty average for car insurance. $150, 150 divided by 30 equals $5 a day. So you got to consider, I don't know, maybe do five orders a day, 5 to 10 or so. You know, that order you're paying about, let's say, $1. So now wear and tear's adding up even quicker, you know. Wear and tear, I mean, your expenses are, this is why I always use the escalator analogy. You're going up, you're making money, but the escalator's actually going the wrong way. You're on the wrong escalator. It's not moving smoothly. You're not collecting things and making it easier. No, you're making it actually harder because the longer you drive your car around, the more things you're going to need to buy for it. You got inflated tires, you got your inflated freaking engines, oil changes, all kinds of stuff. So really, after it's all said and done, we haven't even included taxes. We haven't even included taxes yet, guys. Taxes. After it's all said and done, that $10 for that $10 order for 5 miles, which actually probably cost you around 10 miles. So let's say worst case scenario, it's $10, 10 miles. You made $5. $5 for 10 miles, you know? There's so many things going into play right now to where this does not even make sense to do DoorDash right now. Gas is literally almost double what it was at the beginning of this year. It's crazy. It's crazy. And it just is like so $75.77. That hurts so bad just to drive around town, you know? Like, I've seen so many memes like, COVID's over, time to go out, and then gas prices, oh, you thought you're going out, huh? Like, all these memes like that, but basically it's like, yeah, now we're basically on lockdown due to how much it's going to cost us. So maybe, I don't know, maybe it's about time to invest into an electric dirt bike like my roommate's driving around or something. I don't know. Like, what do we do? I can't drive this car around anymore, though. Like, it's, we got another 3 years of Biden, so who knows what gas prices are going to be in 2024. It's going to be preposterous. It's going to be preposterous, guys. I don't know. So here's my question to you guys. What is gas prices in your guys' area? Let me know what city you guys are delivering in and how much gas prices are. Do you guys still do DoorDash? Is this the end of your DoorDash career? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry I screwed up yesterday's video. I'm going to basically label this something along the same lines of yesterday because this is the content that was supposed to be. Oh, God, Jesus. Anyways. So what happens when you half-ass things? Don't half-ass things. But anyways, we'll see you guys the next one. Drive safe. Make that money. Peace, guys.